वड्डावेद माता प्रचोदयं तापमानि पितनाम् आयु प्राण प्रजा पशु कीर्ति द्रवणं ब्रह्म वर्षणम्
in the heavens.
It's a blessing. So thank you all very, very much. Today is Surya Jayanti. I need to get that out before Abhijit here. I want to thank my big bhaiya here, our Guru Bhai. He most willingly volunteered and agreed to come and to sit with us. When you sit in his presence, you always learn something, because that is the greatness of intelligent and educated people. You see, diamond will always shine wherever it is. Zirconian may or may not. And so, thank you, Ria.
They put in 6 yards of sari. It became millions and millions of yards. They pulled until they fainted. आपको देखा मैं बहुत प्रसन्न हूँ भगवान से.
Where's Karishma's one?
श्री सूर्य नारायण भगवान की जय। ओम सूर्यो सहस्रांश तेजो राशि जगत्पते अनुकंपयमान देवान् गृहाणयं नमोस्तुते। ओम सूर्यो सहस्रांशो तेजो राशि जगत्पते अनुकंपयमान देवान् गृहाणयं नमोस्तुते। ओम हर हर गंगे च यमुनाय चैव गोदावरी सरस्वती नर्मदे सिंधु कावेरी जलेऽस्मिन् संस्थिति कुरु। गंगा जल स्नानं समर्पयामि। ओम शं नो मित्रः शं वरुणः शं नो भवत्ययमः शं नो इन्द्रो बृहस्पतिः शं नो विष्णुरुक्रमः। ॐ नमो ब्रह्मणे नमस्ते वायु त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्मासि त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्मा वदिष्यामि ऋतं वदिष्यामि सत्यं वदिष्यामि तन्मावतु सर्वकारम् अवतु भवतु मां भवतु वक्तारम्। जय सूर्य भगवान् जय हो श्री सूर्य नारायण भगवान की जय।
पुरान्तकारे भानुशशिर्भौमसतो बुधश्च गुरुश्च शुक्राशनिराहुकेतव सर्वे ग्रहाः शान्तिकरा भवन्तु। Family, children all there. We're fortunate to have Chacha here. We're the only one still around with us, but we have all of you. God bless you for coming and joining with this function today. And we give thanks to Satyanarayan Bhagwan. Bhadrakaye namo nityam Saraswate namo namah Veda Vedanta Vedantane Bhave Vacham Yang Brahma Varunendra Rudra Marutam Tumvanti Divyaistavayar Veda Sangha Padakramopanishadar Gayanti Yang Samagam Dhyanavasthita Tabgatena Manasa Pashyanti Yang Yogino Yasyantam Navido Sura Suraguna Devaya Tasmai Sasankachakram Sakiritakundalam Sapitavastram Sarasurahekshanam Saharavakshastharakastabhasriyam Namami Vishnum Shirasha Chaturbhujam Mukham Karoti Vachalam Pagvam Langhayate Girim Yasnipatamaham Vande Paramananda Madhavam Adidevam Jagat Karanam Adidevam Jagat Karanam Sridharam Lokanath एकदाने विशालने विषयाशंकादया पप्रचोदनया सर्वे सुतं पौराणिकं खलु प्रत्येन तपसा किं वा प्राप्यतेवांशितं फलम् तत्सर्वं श्रोतुमिच्छामः कथयस्व महामते नारदेनैव संकृष्टो भगवान् कमलापतिं सुरशये यथैवाह तच्चिन्मध्वंसमाहितम्। शिशु जी ने कहा कि एक समय नारद जी ने अपने पूर्व जन्म को कर्मों के अनुसार और सभी जीवों को देखकर भिन्न भिन्न योनियों में पैदा हुआ एवं दुख भोगते हुए विष्णु लोक गए और भगवान की स्तुति प्रारंभ किया। The great sages and saints of the past, first of all, Satyanarayana Katha consists of 5 long chapters. Those from those days who can remember, the bhakti was there to listen to all 5 chapters without any explanation in English, but the bhakti was there. And all was going, all the chapters were done. 5 chapters. And people would listen carefully. If it's still midnight, they will go on their way. But I know time has changed, and we make adjustments. We think what we can gain from Satyanarayana Katha today, we will listen a little bit, a glimpse, and through the introduction here. So the sages of the past, they had foresight of darkness, that is Kali Yuga coming, lack of true knowledge, and sins that will be prevalent in the world. We all know that is happening. Especially during Kali Yuga, with worried minds, these saints and sages, they posed the following question to Surji Maharaj. Surji Maharaj was very learned, he mastered the Puranas, and they asked a question, they asked 3 questions. Well, number 1, oh great one, what are the benefits of fasting and penance? Sometimes these questions happen among us too. You might, why are we doing this? Just 2 lines. हे दीन बंधु भगवान, Narad starts singing to Bhagavan and crying. हे दीन बंधु भगवान, प्रभु अब दया करो। हे दीन बंधु भगवान, approaching Bhagwan, what he said, स्तोत्र को सुनकर विष्णु भगवान कहते कि हे नारद, कि महाभाग, आपको देखकर मैं बहुत प्रसन्न हूँ। भगवान विष्णु सत्यनारायण स्वामी telling नारद मुनि, seeing you I'm so happy. तुम किस कारण के आए हो? Why you come? This is something special. I see tears in your eyes. What is bothering you? तुम्हारे मन में क्या है? What is in your mind? बस सब मुझसे कहो, मैं तुमसे सब उत्तर दूंगा. I'll give you all the answers. Narad was welcomed by Lord Bhagwan. He was so happy to see him. And when he asked him that question, Narad said, Bhagwan, why Bhagwan asked this question? Now, people want to know why he asked this question. The Lord knows everything. He knows what is operating in your minds. But still, what? He wants to hear you. If you think that I'm hungry, think about it, you're hungry, but you have to make the effort to eat. You have to make the effort to call on mother. Ma, I'm hungry, give me something. The child wants something. Similarly, ask, Bhagwan wants you to ask him. This is why we pray to him. Because he wants communication with everyone. And how does the child cry, the infant? Because that is her way of communicating with the Lord. Cry. Many people, when they're praying to God, when they sing your day, some people, I know, some people sing the prayers when they go to bed night time, they lay down their hands so. That doesn't work. Bhagwan wants to, you have to make the effort to call on him. That's why we sing the prayers of Bhagwan. He Dina Bandhu Bhagavan. Call on him. He wants to hear you. You have to make that effort. So Narad Muni said, oh Lord, hey Bhagavan, for the benefit of mankind, while going around in the world, I saw people everywhere busy with, but they were very busy, but very unhappy. People, no matter how much money you got, you're still unhappy. How much clothes you got, you still want more. How much jewelry you have, it's never enough. You got one car, get old. You want another one. You want a second car, you want a third one. And life goes on like this. Mankind has that. I saw people, Bhagwan said, Narad Muni said, people are engaged in doing wrong things. With the coming of Kali Yuga, the situation may get worse, Bhagwan. Is there any suggestion or solution in helping these people getting rid of their distress and miseries? भगवान said, अच्छी तरह विधि पूर्वक श्री सत्य स्वरूप नारायण ही व्रत को करके मनुष्य उनके सुखों को प्राप्त करता है, अंत में मोक्ष परम पद को प्राप्त करता है. Bhagwan replied, Narad, you're always thinking about the welfare of others, nothing for yourself. They are living for others, the great saints and sages. Briefly, there is a simple, and Bhagwan says, a simple and easy way to help everyone. Without any doubt, people should regularly listen and perform Satya Narayana Vrata Pujan Katha. Not only when you want something. Don't pray to God when you want something all the time. When you get it also, thank Bhagwan. When you get it, say, forget it. I'll give you an example, a brief example. A man a youngster going for an interview, and he's running late. And he's going, and he brings to Hanumanji, Hanumanji, please help me, let me get a parking spot near to the door. Hanumanji, I will give you 1 pound prasad. And when you go to see a parking spot by the door, he says, never mind Hanumanji, I found one already. So you forget the prasad. These things don't work. You can't fool God. You're fooling yourselves. So perform Satyanarayan Pujan every full moon and many other days in the weeks, in the months and years. Perform Satyanarayan Pujan when you get something, not only when you want something, but when you want to get it. Today is celebrating his 70th birthday today. with good health, along with his family and friends, all of you. He said, the Lord demonstrated how He Himself is willing to make sacrifice for mankind. Bhagwan wants to help you. Bhagwan said He is happy to receive anyone who approaches Him. As He did to Narad Muni. Narad Muni came and said, I'm so glad to see you. When the deities have problems, Bhagwan helps them. When mankind sincerely call upon the Lord, He helps them also. When Bhagwan rushes to them, when they need something. The shloka says, Yadade tatta dukkham vyathayate nitarang Shakyate kena vaktam chantavyo me paradha Shiva 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 Bho Shri Mahadeva Shambho. Bhagwan, the Lord decides who should be our parents, who should be our mother. And He places that fetus in the mother's womb. And after 8, 9, 10 months, when the child is fully developed, that child remembers all his previous lives. And that child is crying out to Bhagwan. He's saying, Hey Bhagwan, Hey Shiva, Hey Shankar, Hey Bhagwan. I remember all the times I came and I wasted my life away, running after all kinds of material things in the world. I never called your prayer. I didn't have time for you so much as I did for pleasures I wanted in the past. Bhagavan, but I promise you this time. Hey Bhagavan, Hey Shiva, Hey Shankar, help me Prabhu. I'm suffocating, I'm stifling. Help me Prabhu. I promise you, every breath I take, every I inhale and exhale, I will call your name. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. Bhagwan Shivji rushes. The question was asked, why Shivji running to him when he said this thing in the previous life too, and the previous life too, hundreds of times. The devotee is calling on the Lord and he is performing his duty. Bhagwan rushes to the child, and when the child comes into this world, everything is over. He has to perform his duties. Do we perform our duties? We forget. Say, oh, weather is not so good today. We won't go to Monday. I don't have time for Monday today. I have to go to a party or something else. So, we have to remember, Bhagwan does his duties. Are we doing ours? And what happened? It is a yenodrita vasumati salilene magna nagna chapandava vadhu stadika dikulay samotito jalchara samukha gajendro drigocharo bhavatu me jasadina bandhu. जिन्होंने जल में डूबी हुई पृथ्वी का उद्धार किया. Once in the Bhagavad Puran this shloka comes and it said, Prithvi Mata, Mother Earth, was taken beneath the seas by the evil Rakshas. And Mother, Prithvi Mata, Mother was crying and the world was crying. Bhagwan, he took a form, a different form, and he went and he brought Prithvi Mata, Mother Earth, and placed her on her correct platform. जल में डूबी हुई पृथ्वी का उद्धार किया, that is one. नग्ना च पांडव वधू स्थगिता दुकूलाय. Secondly, what happened? Draupadi Rani, everybody knows what happened. Thousands of people gathered in the arena, and she is a queen. She was dragged by her hair and brought there on the floor. And everybody was laughing. The Pandavas were there, but they were helpless. At that time, they were slaves. And everybody was laughing. They thought that they were being encouraged to enjoy, entertained. But no, Draupadi Rani was crying. And when they made such attempt to remove her sari from her body, Nagnacha Pandava Vadhusta Gita Dukulai, Pitri Mata was rescued as a Devi, the mother of the earth. And Draupadi Rani, when they made that attempt to remove her sari, what she did, she cried, she clasped her hands. Agre Kurunam Tapandavanam Dushasanena Tapandur Krishna Krishna Tada Kosajananjanata Govinda Damodara Madhaveti. She cried out to Bhagwan Krishna. Hey Bhagwan, let no mother, no female must go through this kind of ridiculous time. Be punished like this. And as they pulled that sari from her, they put in the 6 yards of sari. It became millions and millions of yards. They pulled until they fainted. Bhagwan blessing is there. ग्राह के मुख से गजराज को बचा लिया. That was the second time. So Prithvi Mata was saved, Mother Earth. Draupadi Rani was saved. Anyone who calls on the Lord, he comes. ग्राह के मुख से गजराज को बचा लिया. Once Prithvi Mata was taken, we heard about that. So now the third one was Gajendra. Gajendra was taken beneath the seas. Sorry, he was an elephant. Gajendra, previous life, let us hear a little bit of it. One leg of Gajendra was caught by an alligator and he found himself helpless in setting himself free. There's a bhajan, 2 lines for this. Gajendra. He was a great king in his previous time, the elephant. And one day he said, let me go into penance, and he went in the forest and he was in deep meditation, meditating and merging with the Lord. The great Agastya Muni came there, and that's him, along with his other chelas. And the king was there performing meditation. The Agastya Muni spoke to him. He said, what happened today? You're not showing any respect to me? No respect, no pranam, nothing at all. But he was meditating, he was merged with the Lord at that moment. Agastya Muni said, you think you're pretending to be meditating and close your eyes, but you can hear me. You're sitting like an elephant, next life you will be like that elephant, like a statue. And he came as an elephant. But he was a powerful elephant. Devotion was there to the Lord all the time. And Satyanarayana Swami, and what happened? When he was on the earth, Gajendra, he had many followers. All the elephants, they looked up to him for help. One hot sunny day, when they went to the water, in the lake to cool themselves and drink the water, that is when the alligator was waiting for him, the crocodile. And one leg was grabbed away. And then he was crying out, Hey Govinda Rakushavana. Nira piyana heta goyo sindhu ke kinare. I only came to drink water today, Guru. And this has happened to me. Why this happened to me, Guru? And he cried, and the sound went into the ears of the Lord in the heavens. We wanted to know why. People think that how is this possible? It is possible. Let us sit silent for a moment. Just turn the switch on the radio. Where is the radio station? Hundreds of miles away. It's in the air. And Vishnu Bhagwan jumped on Garuji and he was coming. Garuda Pithadhaye, and he was coming, and the bird flying and coming, Garuji flying very slowly coming, he can't go fast. And when he looked up, Bhagwan said, "My Arahu beta, I'm coming. Bhagwan shouted, and when Gajendra looked up in the skies, he said, Jaldi karo, Prabhu, Jaldi karo. He's taking me midstream now. I'm losing. What happened? Bhagwan couldn't get there fast enough, Garuda was too slow. He jumped off and he ran and came to the rescue of Gajendra. What called a time of happiness too. I don't want to go on further. What else? I think you get the message. From the Vishnu today, he thanks the Lord. And he's very grateful to all of you for coming and joining with him today. We pray Bhagwan Satyanarayana Swami bless Vishnu with good health, heal the Dharapatni and the children, daughters-in-law, all the friends and relatives, the Chachaji who is here sitting also. God bless him. Continue to have good health. Praise the Satyanarayana Bhagwan. And Panditji look after that part of it. And before we do the Havan, I would like to ask the Vishnu to address everyone today on this special occasion in his life.
बहुत हार्दिक स्वागत आप सभी लोग very much. Thank you very much not only for being here with us this morning, me and my Ulahin, but thanks for assisting with all of what has to be done and accomplished to keep this. Can take credit for all of this. No, but never. यही तो मेरा आशा है. It is my hope that those of you who are younger will continue to come here long after people of my age are no longer here. Is that enough? Can we agree on that? The younger people I'm talking to? Please do come. 20 years from today, many of us, including myself, may not be here. And so, this beautiful shrine ought to continue a legacy where we ought to feel welcome and happy to be here and to sit for a few moments and to join in satsang and prayers and to feel a little bit relaxed and a little bit connected with Bhagwan. To take a little bit of prasadam or Torah to bhojan and to leave here in a peaceful manner. If you do not leave like that, then there's something that I am not doing correctly. And I'm always welcome to listen to whatever suggestions you may have. Don't think that your suggestions are insignificant. They're very important because it is our aim. It is my aim. It was the aim of my father. It was the aim of my Aja. My Aja and Aji. They were poor people. But my Aja, he nearly gave away everything I heard. My Aji had to holler for them and say, at least keep one house part where we live now. And so, in their legacy, I beg of all of you to come here and to continue this wonderful journey, to make puja, to make mandir visits a part of your life, to encourage your children, your grandchildren, to continue this legacy, and to be proud that we are all Hindus and that we live in this great country of these, the United States of America, where we are still free to come and congregate and to worship to our heart's desire and contentment. It's a blessing. So thank you all very, very much. Today is Surya Jayanti. I need to get that out before Padiji here. I want to thank my big bhaiya here, our Guru Bhai. He most willingly volunteered and agreed to come and to sit with us. When you sit in his presence, you always learn something, because that is the greatness of intelligent and educated people. You see, diamond will always shine wherever it is. Zirconian may or may not. And so, thank you, Ria. Thank you. I look at him, I vaguely remember my Guruji. We have so many wonderful anecdotes about him coming to Crabber Creek and sitting down and holding panchayat in the Bada house. We were very young kids. We were all, most of the time I was not too concerned about it. I was wondering what the heck is going on. Because he's holding up the show, because you gotta wait until he finish eat before you can eat and all of those things, and that was not sitting too nicely when you're 6, 7 years old. But I see my Guru Bhai here, and it brings tremendous amount of joy. So thank you once again. Yeah, thank you for being here and conducting such a wonderful puja and pravachan. To my Chacha ji, I had the good fortune of being with him 2 days ago, spending time with him and Chachi, and I enjoy that tremendously. I enjoy that because he's the closest thing I have to my dad. And I do sincerely mean that. He looks like my dad to a certain extent. He's not as stern as my dad. But the chip doesn't fall away. The other day, we were listening to something at home, and my Dulahin told me, she says, "Oh my God, you sound so much like your daddy." I said, "Hey, what a surprise." what a surprise. You know, so we grow into our parents. Please stay back a little bit and have bhojan with us. These boys are here, they're going to sing a little bit of Chautal, I heard. So that's a wonderful thing. Thank you all so much for coming and doing that with us this morning. Yes, I will give the microphone. And Mahalakshmi ji, aap bahut bahut dhanyawad. Thank you so very, very much. Thank you for coming here and for all that she does in promoting Sanatan Dharma. If you're not aware of who she is, she's an ardent and a fast, staunch devotee of Sanatan Dharma. I invited her when we were doing our Pran Pratishta, and we had a brief conversation, and she said, Bhaiya, I don't know, are you sure? Because I think that time is Bhadra. And I said, Arawa, because that type of conversation you don't hear from anyone. She's very intelligent and she knows it wasn't Bhadra. She agreed with me too. So she wasn't able to come that time, but she's here this morning, and we want to thank you so much, Lakshmi ji. Thank you very much. Jeevan Sharada Shatam, may you continue to do the wonderful things you do. And I'll ask my Chacha ji very quickly to whatever Chacha ji wants to do. Vijay, come quick, right? I know that might be difficult, but Vijay, get up quick. And Ashwini, God bless both of you, and thank you all so much for bringing so much of joy to us and to my I love you so much, she knows this. Somebody to the voice as well, so thank you.
Sabhasad. May God bless every one of you all. Why Vishnu is doing so well? Because he has a solid backing. Very wicked, very educated and down-to-earth Dharmapatni. And he has, you gotta say, 5 kids. The 2 daughter-in-laws and Varsh. And the 2 boys. He's doing well. He has this mandir running, which is very hard to do. You know, to run a mandir is very hard. A lot of work you have to devote yourself to. What Bhaiya was reading from the Satnarayan Katha, what he says people used to do it regularly. The old people used to do Satnarayan Katha Saturday. On most Saturdays they do Satnarayan Katha. On Sunday morning they do Surya Narayan Puja. That was the trend where we came from. Like when you have weddings, when you have functions, Satnarayan Katha. In the evening, Sunday morning, you have Surya Puja. But it's dying away, and some people still continue to do it. With these words, I offer prayers, and I wish Vishnu a happy 70th birthday, and I wish him well. And always come and give me a visit. Right, Ash? Good. Om Astuta Maya Vadavid Mata Prachodayanta Paumani Vichanam Ayu Prana Praja Pashu Kirti Dravanam Brahma Varsanam Mahyam Datva Brachad Brahma Lokam Ved Mata Ki Jai Abhuta Purva Mama Bhaviki Va Sarve Sahi Me Sajanam Hidukam Kintu Tadagre Sharanagatanam Parabhavo Nathanitina Rupam Nirasakasyapi Natha Vadutsahe Mahesha Yatuta Vapada Pangajam Rushani Rasto Shishivastarandaya Najatumatu Charanau Jihasati Hari Om Shanti 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 Hari Om. And another thing is Mahalakshmi is my adopted daughter. So you all must know that. And Lakshman Bhaiya is sitting somewhere in the crowd. Thank you very much.
में भगवन तेरे दरबार आया हूँ। दया की आस में भगवन तेरे दरबार आया हूँ। दया की आस में भगवन तेरे दरबार आया हूँ। तेरे दरबार आया हूँ। बना लो दास में मुझको, बना लो दास में मुझको। बहुत लाचार आया हूँ। दया की आस में भगवन तेरे दरबार आया हूँ। अगर तुम दीन के दाता, तुम मेरी दीन का सुन लो, तुम मेरी दीन का सुन लो। जगत के मोह में डूबा, जगत के मोह में डूबा, मैं गुलजार आया हूँ। दया की आस में भगवन तेरे दरबार आया हूँ। दया की आस में भगवन, दया की आस में भगवन तेरे दरबार आया हूँ।
कोई जब न पाए मेरे संग आए कि पग पग दीप जलाए। मेरे दोस्ती मेरा प्यार, मेरे दोस्ती मेरा प्यार। कोई जब राम न पाए मेरे संग आए कि पग पग दीप जलाए। मेरे दोस्ती मेरा प्यार, मेरे दोस्ती मेरा प्यार।
a beautiful day to a most beautiful soul. It is said that there are 3 stages of life. The first stage is when you're a young person. The second stage is when you become middle-aged. And the third stage is when people look at you and say, you look great. Well, you look great. There is a time to be born, and there is a time to die. We did not choose the time when we were born, and we will not choose the time that we die. But we have a chance to choose what happened in the interval between birth and death. Between birth and death, there are milestones. Milestones which we call birthdays. Birthdays are times when we celebrate the memories of yesteryear, the joys of today, and the dreams of tomorrow. Guruji has lived such a wonderful life. A life that exemplifies goodness, righteousness, dedication, devotion. As I said many times before, he gives us time, he gives us money, he gives us labor, he gives us love. As you can see, we have a brand new altar. We have a new look in this temple. New paintings. And what you don't see is in the lift station back there we have new pumps which cost way more than the average person would work for in a year. Guruji has absorbed all these like a sponge. Never once mentioned the cost. So Guruji, today we wish you a long life, a life that is filled with health and happiness, with peace, contentment, and divine serenity. And we should, every one of you, I wish you a wonderful year ahead. And when this year will have finished, it is hoped that our lives will be stronger and richer and better, upon which we humbly ask His blessings. Jai Sri Ram.
की जय। देवी शारद सुमिरो मनाओ हे देश करो अंजलि के नंदन मेरी अरजना मान।
Couple of days ago, Friday night actually, was Basant Panchami. We planted Holika. And just to give you a little bit of, today is Surya Saptami, the 7th day. Officially, Surya Bhagwan is now with the horses in the northern direction. It started with Makar Sankranti. Going on, we have Purnima is on the 1st of February, which is a Sunday. And then Mahashivratri. Mahashivratri is on the 15th, which is another Sunday. So what we'll do, we'll have our regular Sunday service puja and satsang. And then we'll come back and reconvene at 6 in the evening to start our first session of Dhar. We'll puja and we'll be here all night like we always do. Okay? So make a note of it on the 15th, going on to the 16th morning is Mahashivratri. All right, thanks.
आचम्यकान्मया दत्तं गृहीत्वा परमेश्वरम् गणाधिपोर्कश्च शशिधरासितो बुधो गुरुभागवसूर्यनन्दनो राहुश्च केतुश्च परं नवग्रहाः कुर्वन्तो वा पूर्णमनोरथं सदा कर्पूरं च प्रदीपितं नारायणमहं पश्यमे ॐ यदग्महविप्रजननमे अस्तु दशमे गणशस्त्रे आत्मसंकृता
Thank you.
हे कृष्ण कमलापते यदुपते सीतापते कृष्ण Everybody, त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव त्वमेव बन्धुः च सखा त्वमेव 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 सर्वं देव मन्त्रहीनं क्रियाहीनं भक्तिहीनं जनार्दनम् Hritam maya deva paripurnam tadastame Hridina bandho vinokina abhayatamero samubhar Abho papa samuse vinamo barambar Bar bar bhakti Almighty Father, standing in this minute to be before this altar, your humble servants, and your seeker of the heart, the flower and the symbol of the heart, we ask that you bless Pandit Vishnu and his family, Dharmapatni, who is always next to him, always willing to take responsibility and go ahead in life. Bless the children, grandchildren, all. Everyone bless our friends and relatives from far and near who sacrificed to come and join in building today. Give them all the deserving blessings. Bala bala barma prahu har shade vashya har sarojana parni Rati sada sat samsya Ramachandra ki jai Umapati Mahadeva ki jai Pavana Sudha Hanuman ki jai Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Deva Maheshwara Guru Sakshat Param Brahma Prem se Shri Satyanarayan Bhagwan ki jai Prem se Shri Shiv Shankar Bhagwan ki jai Prem se Shri Sinaran Bhagwan ki jai Trahi Mahan Sharanam Prem se Satyanarayan Bhagwan ki jai Prem se Shiv Shankar Bhagwan ki jai
You will see a lot of her recordings are there, and you will see this one here today as well. Will be on the spiritual TV. All right? Thank you. And again, Lakshmiji, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I was really moved when I started last night just because of you. आज जन्मदिन मेरा आज जन्मदिन मुबारक हो
दिल से मिल गया,